Hello, welcome to this episode of The Little House on the Bluffs. We're out on our property today. See, it's a little dark outside. Down to a long sleeve t-shirt, we got heat, we got light, so we can put in some overtime out here. And the reason is we got 4 jobs in 3 different counties and towns going on, so it's hard to get out here when you got all that work, but we praise the Lord for it. And I'm very thankful that we have jobs that He's provided for us. We just want to wish you all a happy Thanksgiving and enjoy this episode of The Little House on the Bluffs.
Okay, in the last episode I showed you some free insulation that we got off a job site. This stuff was old, coming apart, really itchy, so I wore a 4X large t-shirt that I got at a thrift store to help put this stuff in. It is almost like wearing a dress, I guess. But anyhow, we was able to manage to pick up all the pieces falling on the floor, stuff them up in there later after we put our horizontal pieces of plywood that I'll show you later, and it was able to hold it all in there good. And we really overstuffed this, so we got a lot of insulation in this ceiling. Okay, we're using 1.5" deck mate screws, Torx heads, to screw these things up. Now, like the whole job ain't screwed up as it is, but we're screwing these up with these 1.5" deck screws horizontally every 16 inches, so we can put our plywood on vertically instead of horizontally.
Okay, we got some of the plywood on the ceiling. Just got to have the table saw to finish out the top. But anyways, we got most of it in. We're going to run a piece of Durarock all the way up to the very peak here and run our tile all the way to the ceiling. So that's coming soon. But this is where our pellet stove is going in this corner. So anyways, we're going to put some not real crown molding but trim. This building is not perfectly square and straight. We tried to plumb it up best we could at the very beginning, but we got a lot done, and we're just doing what we can when we can. Okay, we got us a little loft going up here. I put a window in for the grandkids and the grandma to communicate back and forth when they're inside and she's outside. But we're going to build some little pony walls up the sides to hide the ventilation for the fan for the bathroom and our vent for the bathroom, and make it the same over here on this side. So still going to itch it all the way down and all the way around, so, and put a lid in it as well. But that's what we got done so far. We got our sheetrock, got some mud going on right now. We got our Durarock getting all prepped for tile. We got some tile in ready behind the toilet here. We're gonna do the wainscot look fence, kind of barnwood, standing up and down like barnwood along here and in the shower area. We'll do shiplapping by the pellet stove, but anyways, this is just the first coat of mud, folks, so don't get too crazy. But it's going to come together. Wife's got this little coffee area going right now, so we can make coffee while we're working. But this is it for the bathroom so far.